Greetings, my loyal servant. I command you to craft a game that immerses players in the epic saga of the Sith. The success of this mobile game will be a testament to your allegiance to the dark side. Do not disappoint me, and you shall be rewarded.
Hello there, this is Obi Game Dev. In this video I'll show you how I made simple telekinesis feature in Unity. I decided that first-person view will be the best choice to reveal the full potential of the Force, and for that, Model FP Controller asset is the way to go. So first thing I've done is added this free package and open demo scene. As you can see, it gave me a fully configured player with camera attached that can be controlled with mouse and keyboard, and includes some basic movement mechanics such as walk, run, jump and crawl. Beside that, we have a prototype scene that I will be using as a tutorial scene in my minigame for Lord Vader. The only missing thing from player view perspective is hands. So let me download simple hands asset to the game. Drag and drop hand to the scene, reposition it and duplicate. I also bend in fingers to add some natural look and using built-in cylinder in Unity to mock our player's arm. And look what we got, player have hands now, which means it's time for code. I'm adding force controller script to the player, where I've used physics gradecast to find object with interactable layer, and then keep that object in selected object field so we can manipulate with it in different functions. And here you can see that in force push function we are changing selected object position based on player camera position and static offset. Here is how it looks in the game mode. Every time I click, cube moves to whatever position I'm looking to. And it's something, but it's not force push. So let's change that. In handle telekinesis input function, I'm changing force push name to move object and now adding condition that on mouse button release, I will call new force push function that will be using physics to push object forward. Well, now we can force push an object, but maybe too strong, and also move object on every button click doesn't feel right. So I'm changing that and also adding more cubes to check the feel of it. Telekinesis range is something to change as well. Now, when we focused on object, I don't need to click. It will follow my cursor instead. And if I click, it should force push it. Okay, looks like wrong direction, let's pick another cube. Lock on the cube with F key, move around, force push. It takes forward vector of selected object, where we should be focused on player, so back to the code. Perfect. Almost there. Let's fix force range as well. I'd like to control how close or far the object is, so I'm introducing two more functions that will be moving our object back and forth on left and right mouse button click. Functions aren't identical. The only difference will be as direction of movement. One will be forward, another will be forward with minus sign. As you can see, now I can focus on the object from any distance and also move that object further or closer if needed. The only downside I've found is if we pull an object to us, it will eventually hit us. So let's introduce a minimum range in our code. Now, final test for telekinesis feature. And I just want to say that it feels awesome. And link to the source code will be found in the description of this video. But it's not the end yet. As you probably know, Lord Vader is known for his passion for force choking. And to replicate that, I've used swimming animation from Mixamo and using my advanced Blender skills to make that look like people force choking. Just a tiny advice, don't change anyhow armature. Even if you want to add IK, don't do it. Otherwise, other animation from Mixamo may not work in Unity. If you never tried Mixamo, then just try it. It's free, you can find a lot of free characters there already rigged, and also a lot of animation that will be worked with each characters. After testing force on this poor NPC, I've been done with this feature, so I made a short game and sent it to Lord Vader for review. Hope he will like it.
Hello there, welcome to our training session. Just in few minutes you'll become a Master Force user.
Master Force user? So you think I'm not the master yet?
Don't fail me again.
Use F key to force control object and mouse buttons to interact with those. Your goal is to put blue cube in blue basket and red cube in the red basket. Don't worry about alien on the stairs. He's just an observer. Good luck, and may the force be with you.
I am the Dark Lord, and it's not me who should be worried. You, observer, are forgiven now. Enough. I will show you the true power of the Force. I sentence my best in this location. I remembered now. Unacceptable. What pitiful excuse led you to incorporate a wretched sand location in this game? Did you think it would amuse me, Vader, to be reminded of Tatooine's desolate Westerlands? The very place where I suffered my greatest losses. Your incompetence is as waste as the dunes you're so carelessly included.
I hope you enjoyed this video, so hit the like button, subscribe for the channel and share this with your buddy. Let me know in the comments who'll be next hero who asked for the game, and remember that all of the comments will be answered by Darth Vader. See you in the next video.